Hi, my name is Jenny, and today we are going to explore 3 pivotal benefits to working with PPi Technologies Group so you can maximize your ROI. 1. PPiTG is a proven industry leader that prides itself in its deep-rooted relationship with our machine manufacturers. We have worked hand in hand with our machinery partners to constantly innovate and develop new cutting-edge solutions for packaging automation. We currently hold over 24 patents on key features on the PSG Lee and SM machinery lines alone. And all of these were developed with you, our client, in mind. With decades of experience, PPiTG can guarantee OSHA, CE, and USDA standards are met. In fact, PPiTG offers the only USDA 3A certified horizontal form fill seal machine on the market, and that's a mouthful. 2. Our pre-sale assessment. This evaluation allows our team of experienced professionals to test your product and create a customized, designed packaging plan, from product feeding to palletizing and everything in between. This approach ensures the perfect strategy when it's time to invest in your next machine. And 3, our after-sales service and support departments are unparalleled. With our seasoned team of service engineers and over $3 million in spare parts in stock, our dedicated 5-star customer service division is the reason why everyone from major Fortune 500 companies to mom-and-pop operations have trusted us to provide the best packaging solutions for over 2 decades. My name is Jenny. Thanks for watching. And remember, when it's time for your next packaging investment, look no further than PPi Technologies Group. See you next time, and thanks for watching.